Living in a safe environment is quite important to us. So when we are looking for a home security system, we are looking for the high-definition cameras. Something easy to install, we could set it up discreetly in our house.
And we found IMILAB. The choice is a no-brainer. IMILAB enables us to see our beloved ones, whenever and wherever we love to. The simplest click makes the most precious moments in our lives stay and remain fresh eternally.
I feel safe because it could remind me of any move or something wrong. So I can view and get a call through IMILAB immediately.
Hey baby,
are you okay?
We can see every detail even in the dark with the advanced night vision. It really makes me feel at ease. IMILAB has definitely influenced our life and makes it more safe and simple for sure.
We recommend completing the camera setup before mounting on the wall or any other surface. To finish the installation, you stick the provided adhesive tape in the middle of the camera bottom and place the camera anywhere in your home. Please notice that our Laview wireless cameras support multiple storage methods. You could use a SD card to store videos or use Laview cloud service.
this is the Ring Stick-Up Cam. It's versatile, super versatile. Indoors, outdoors, outdoors in the rain. It's got two-way talk.
Hey, Eddie.
And works with Alexa.
Hey, bud.
Hi, Dad.
Choose the stick-up cam that's right for you. Just plug it in, pop in a battery, or let the sun do the charging for you. And you can check in on home from anywhere. So start protecting your home and family with the easy installing, home monitoring, indoor-outdoor stick-up cam by Ring.